We are Wandjuru Yidinji people, and we are custodians of places like this. You look at the Russell River, you look at Yubananji Swamp, you look at the beach lines, etc. And that's what we've got to do, is care for country. We take our knowledge, our historical knowledge from our elders that have been passed down through the ages, and we're working with scientists. We're all trying to do the same thing. And when we combine these things, we get a better understanding of the whole system. And that's what makes it work. And that's what's important, that we keep on working on this system to make it actually sustainable for the longer term. And particularly, we always talk about climate change, and we talk about the effects of climate change, sea level rise, temperature rising, and that's what we're concerned about. And that's why I do a lot of other projects looking at one important outcome, that's sustainability of this country.
Jaragun has been working with particularly the Queensland government for the last decade. We've been working on implementing the whole of system values-based framework. This is a planning strategy that's aimed at rehabilitating wetlands and restoring wetlands along the coastline of the Great Barrier Reef region. Reef 2050 Wetland Strategy is underpinned by a planning framework which looks at whole of systems and sustainability of the community, particularly in relation to climate change and the impact that climate change will have on sustainability of the catchment. The Reef 2050 Wetland Strategy is aimed at providing sustainable use of our catchments going forward. It's directed at improving and rehabilitating the landscape that's been highly modified since European sediment. As part of implementing the Reef 2050 Wetland Strategy, we've developed a Russell River Catchment Sustainability Plan. This aims to achieve multiple objectives, some of which include improving and rehabilitating the landscape, in particular some of the ecosystems that have been damaged or lost through landscape modification over the decades. It also aims to improve outcomes for the catchment people. These include economic outcomes as well as social and cultural outcomes.
We employ 15 Aboriginal people. There are 2 women involved as well. They do most of the work on the country. They work with the scientists themselves. They work with us. And the projects really are brought about by their knowledge, their stories, and what they remember insofar as historical observational of what's happening on country.
One of the reasons that we actually developed the Russell River Catchment Sustainability Plan was to ensure that we can actually provide ongoing and permanent jobs for traditional owners to work on country.
And hopefully we can pass on this knowledge and understanding to other areas within the Great Barrier Reef, particularly those rainforest areas on the coast, and also the adoption of what we do can be passed away from the coastline. But it's the most important thing is getting that framework there and a core set of principles under which restoration, sustainability can be developed and worked on over the long term.